Okay, we've got time for one more drill before lunch. Now, there's an energy called seizing energy. And seizing basically means you're grabbing onto your training partner's energy structure, onto the nervous system, onto a joint, onto a muscle. You clamp onto it. Now, I like to use the terminology clamping because when you clamp something, it's different to just grabbing locally. You want to hug the whole energy field and clamp onto it when you seize. So this feeling of clamping, once you've clamped or seized the whole body, that's the pathway which you emit the jinn through to bounce them or affect them or to do a lock or whatever it might be. So where's somebody? Where's the big fella? Sorry, dude. It's
okay. I will start diet tomorrow.
Okay. So I want to feel my partner's structure. He's loose and jelly. So loose. No, it's all right. You can say loose. If I try to put energy through him, I can't run it through his arms. I've got to go straight into his body, and it's not working because he's too loose. So what I do is I clamp his body. I lock the magnetic on. Now I put energy through the clamp. So I feel the structure, lock, it's locked, use muscle tension, and now emit jinn through your lock, through your clamp. And then once you've done that a few times, I put the lock on without the muscle tension, which was my mind and energy, and now I put the jinn into that. I do it softly until no one can see what you're doing. So it's a step-by-step process. First, grab, feel, magnet. Lock it in, put your magnetic energy in. Swung into it, now he's floating inside being locked. Open the energy inside, and he can't escape by being jelly body. Next step is to put a field effect on that, so it's harder to escape. You lock with the magnetic and open inside his body, because it's not A to B, so he can't wobble out anymore. You've clamped him anyway, you just make it more difficult for the escape. So this clamping is magnetic. You can only influence what you feel. Squeeze your partner's forearms, feel his structure, his base. Trigger the magnetism we did yesterday, switch it on. Now that's my door to put energy in to affect my partner. Don't be afraid of tension. Just squeeze your partner, feel his body, and then use the magnetic through the squeeze, find the clamp, and then open energy and jinn inside that once you've got it. So you've got seizing energy, and what you're going to do with seizing energy is up to you. Be gentle with it. Don't do any wrist locks, elbow locks. You injure people with just a small amount of jinn, so be careful. Okay, have a play. Thank you.